Nigga ask, nigga ask about it, nigga ask. I'm a hustler, nigga, I'm a hustler, homie. Got the product on the net, cuts for the customers. Guns cold smoking in your face like a muffler. Any nigga got a problem, nigga, I will cut you up. Try to fuck with me, yeah, I got the work, homie. I got them little niggas that'll make you hurt, homie. Put it in your face, then I know it hurts, homie. Yeah, I know it hurts when the gun come 40. Fuck it, all you motherfuckers is phony. Try to come in my face, niggas looking bony. Skinny ass nigga, you ain't getting no guap, cause I'm taking all your work, cause I'm running your spot. Yeah, I'm a hustler, I'm getting all that bread. Motherfuckers don't like it, I nigga shoot for your head, shoot for dead, leave you dead on the strip. Police come about it, I don't know about shit, cause I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler. Yeah, I'm a hustler, I'm a hustler, nigga ask, yeah, I know I'm nice, but I don't know you niggas too cold. That's why my product that I'm selling, the shit be going gold. And I don't know, them shit ain't CDs, but shit is a work like weed, cocaine, heroin, and earth. Listen, I don't have to shoot you niggas in the fucking head. I got some little niggas that'll shoot you fucking dead. If red on the hammer, yeah, I pay that too. I pay for every little nigga that I'm working with, that's working with me, that's selling all these things, that's selling the drugs, narcotics, and the weed, hammers, bananas. Niggas couldn't fuck with me, sell a cabbage, and any nigga feeling like he's hard, get him banished. Bang them. Niggas don't like it too bad. Guns in your face, turn your whole crew mad. Don't like it, nigga, it's too fucking bad. Cause I'm working on this strip and you's a broke man. I'm a hustler, nigga.